airsoft anime waifu gun being showcased. Watch till the end.
A friend of mine wanted to have a go with my new DVL-10 from my previous videos, so in exchange for that, he promised he would do an epic paint job on my brand new, pre-upgraded Sweat Airsoft AKS 74U.
A secret you want to tell me, or? Bro, this thing was expensive! Ay, ay, ay.
You have to turn it on and then you have to press the button.
Thank you. You're welcome, man. Fuck's sake.
Whilst being absolutely fabulous, this thing is as realistic as you can get it. When you open it up, it is frighteningly accurate to the real thing, except for that it literally moans when you insert a fresh magazine.
Oh, sorry.
And when you pull the trigger,
And the shoot is gonna go.
and wait till you hear what it sounds like when you flick it into full fun mode.
Nice. Good shit.
With the castle being under enemy control, we need to establish a safe circle so we sweep the surrounding forest to make sure we don't get ambushed from behind when we make our move to charge up the castle.
Yo, yo. Shit, 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 shit. Twee.